come with me on a journey to Michael's to literally get green vinyl. I found the green vinyl I needed in approximately 1 minute, and then of course had to check out the other stuff. Gotta do my weekly look at the sawgrass printer of my dreams. And then on the next aisle over, I saw this chalkboard paper, which I thought was really cool because, I mean, how much could you do with this? That'd be so fun to cut with your Cricut. And then I literally couldn't help myself. I had to go back and look at the Oracal again because it was $4.99 per roll, which is so cheap. And then this lady saw me filming and I felt really awkward, but it wasn't gonna stop me. Took a little look at the new Siser Juliet. It looks so cute to me. Then the power of a good deal got me and I picked up a couple more rolls of vinyl because they were all half off. Had to check out the new Cricut pen offerings. I have never seen these gel pens and they look so cute to me. Picked up a new Cricut blade for a project coming up. Got distracted by this printmaker that I've seen on TikTok. Then of course had to take a stroll down the Christmas aisle because seriously, look at the pillows. And then I saw this little Cricut accessory that I have literally never seen before, which I thought was kind of cool. And then my sister met up with me and she had to stroll the clearance aisle to let it speak to her, as she says. And then I rounded the corner and she was doing this. You literally cannot take this girl anywhere. Anywhere, I tell you. Yeah, nowhere. And just in case you thought I was kidding, here's me catching her rearranging the balloon letters into something that I'm sure was inappropriate. Here's me briefly considering picking up a new hobby, and then here's us checking out.